Ritalin. So Ritalin is a drug or like a treatment used for people who have ADHD, and it helps them like get more focus on what they're doing and pay more attention and not get distracted. So some slang words for this drug are R-ball, Skippy, Smarties, Vitamin R, Uppers, poor man's cocaine, and kitty coke. Here's how Ritalin looks like. It's a small pill that is commonly prescribed by a doctor, and they're little white pills, but they can also look like this. And how the drug enters the body. Well, Ritalin is either like it enters by the body either by snorting it or they take it by pill. Now, drug effect. If someone that doesn't have ADHD takes it, the drug delivers a powerful stimulant effect to the body. And some short-term and long-term effects are, so the short-term are increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature, nausea, loss of appetite, and disturbed sleeping patterns. And long-term effects are liver, kidney, and lung damage, breathing problems, and depression. Now, Ritalin can also cause high blood pressure, leading to heart attacks, strokes, and even death. Now, legal consequences. So the legal consequences is like, if the drug is used without permission from a doctor, it could potentially result to criminal penalties, including fines and potentially jail. It is more likely to include a jail sentence that could range from months to years. If one person is selling Ritalin, that could lead 5 to 20 years in prison and a fine up to $1 million. The fine can increase up to $5 million if two people are working together to sell Ritalin. Some community resources and organizations, so where people can get help if they're addicted to Ritalin, is they can go to a rehab center and also join a program called Ritalin Addiction Program. They can also take therapy, and here are some therapies they can take, and all of them help them recognize, avoid, and cope with situations that may trigger temptations to use Ritalin after they leave rehab. And these are my citations. So for my billboard, I did think about the consequences before doing drugs. So I have a police car, a man cuffed up, and a hospital thing. I think about the consequences before doing drugs because people should think before they do drugs, like